guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. In the last video I directed you how you can be creating a UDP custom account. So now in this tutorial you're going to be seeing how we can create a working configuration file on our HTTP custom application. So in the last tutorial, I'm going to pin the last tutorial. If you didn't watch it, I'm going to put it down there in the description so that you can watch it on how we can create that account. Then after watching it, then you'll be coming here and I'll be directing you how you guys can create a working configuration that you can sell to your customers at an affordable price, because these are working and you're providing our internet. So after creating that account, we are going to go here, right here where we have the plus button, here where we have that plus button, and then we place it. Then we are going to come right here where we have the save configuration. I'm going to post this as a course. I'm going to set up a course called HTTP Custom so that we can study it to the fullest. So we're going to place save HTTP Custom, and then that will be our file name. Our file name, we're going to put in, for example, internet, not free, internet 50 GB. Let us use something that is insane. 50 GB daily configuration, then file. Then we are going to go where we have the, I recommend you guys not to use that option of the unlock user and password, because someone may be seeing your UDP custom details. So we are going to go and we put that one extra sniffer on. We activate the note, that one note, and then we lock our file with the password, so that if you send the file to a person you are sending it to, you put it a password. So you're going to go where we have the extras. Guys, I don't recommend you to use the mobile data, because if you activate that option, the Wi-Fi users will not be able to use your configuration file. So you're going to go where we have the lock provider. No, I don't recommend you to use that one, because if you lock the provider, it will be, if you have created it on together, for example, Airtel, it will be locked only on Airtel. MTN users won't be able to use that file, but we are not going to lock the provider. But I recommend you to use the expiry date, and then I'm going to set the expiry date to that date, and then I'm going to go where we have the URL update configuration and activate that option. Then I'm going to go where we have the custom message for your subscribers. Then we're going to put in a Marustic down there, Marustic. Put in your tech name. Then the note, we're going to put it that all countries. Slash all networks slash daily 50 GB, then to expires on 28 February 2026, and then you're going to go the password I'm going to put in money, and then the direct link. On the direct link, maybe let us deactivate that option because it will dig. I don't want to stress your minds, guys. Let us now come to the save option. Then we save. We are going to allow the HTTP custom a permission. It will be saved to the downloads. Now, if you go to your file manager, let us go to the files, and I make you to see that we have the internal storage, and then we have Android. You're going to go where we have the downloads. No, now you're going to go to the HTTP custom. We shall be seeing that configuration file. So we're going to place it, and then we choose the HTTP custom, and then we wait for a few moments. We put in the password, money, and then we submit. Then we shall be able to connect, and we shall be seeing that this configuration file, wait for it to connect. It has connected successfully. I sign out.